Welcome to speedearning.com. Friends, today's video is about studying the stock market thoroughly. You can study the stock market from ABC and you can earn a lot. You can see all the video courses available here. Get any video course with 10 powerful strategy in each course. So this 5500 can give you 2 lakh per annum at least. So we are coming to our topic is top stock market websites to know everything about day trading and investment. If you want to study about the market, it may be possible that you are not in the market uh, 3 months back. You are here for 2 weeks only. It may be possible that you want to know about the market, what was happening 10 years back. You can learn anything here. You can have charts, you can have all the data and fact, so that you can decide how does market behave. So we are starting here, top stock market websites to know everything about day trading and investment. The first website is www.moneycontrol.com. It is a very good website to study equity, future, options, commodity, currency, cryptocurrency, and personal finance and mutual funds as well. So it is the one stop solution for all financial needs. So you can study everything there, and it is quite well designed and dynamic, easy to understand. App is also very good. You can use Money Control app for your day to day trading. Second site is in.investing.com. Investing.com is an international website. This is website with best speed, and technical analysis is also very good. So you can check all the moving averages, pivot level, and resistance support levels. You can see the technical summary there for intraday, for medium term, for long term in just 2-3 minutes. So that is quite useful. You can see the global markets are also there. Third website is www.economictimes.com. It is available in Hindi, English, both the languages, and it is most reputed brand name for financial newspapers. So you can have everything about each company. You can see so many screeners. You can see the articles, detailed articles about the current market affairs, and et Pathshala is also there for basic learning. Fourth website is www.arnometer.com. Arnometer.com. This is simple and good website to scan technical analysis of any script from stocks, commodities, or currency market. So if you want to know the bullish or bearish stocks, you can see in future screeners. You can see the delivery trend. You can compare the theoretical value of call and put, nifty call and put, and what is the actual value, what is the difference there. You can see there. Charts are also there, and for intraday, short term, long term, what is the technical suggestion, that will be available in a single paragraph. The fifth website is www.naceindia.com. This is the official website for National Stock Exchange. It's the first website to go through for any Indian market trader. You may be NRI, non-resident Indian, but if you are trading in Indian market, then you should refer National Stock Exchange website, that is naceindia.com. And there are two versions. The old version is also available there, so you can click on the top to get the older version, and the current version is available there by default. So naceindia.com is giving you all the facts about any smaller or smallest company without any bias. They are not suggesting about buying or selling. They are not recommending anything. They are just giving you the actual facts without any biasness. Sixth website is www.bsindia.com. This is the official website for Bombay Stock Exchange, and you know the Bombay Stock Exchange was always there. NSE came from 1992. So it is the basic website to go through for any Indian market trader. So it is also necessary to go through baseindia.com in the beginning. You can see all the indices, you can see their weightages, you can see the heat map there. Everything is given there, milestones are given there. Means before NSE, what what were the milestones for stock exchanges? You can see everything here. www.motilaloswal.com, seventh website. We can see option chart for any strike price easily, and good result calendar to use easily. Motilal Oswal is a great broker, and Mr. Ramdev Agrawal, the owner of this enterprise, this broking company, are he is a great investor. So motilaloswal.com is very good website to see the most active stock futures and options. Eighth number, www.topstockresearch.com. You just keep this video in front of your eyes and just type the site name with exact spelling. The difference of dot will be question, means you can't open the website there. You can check all technical indicators of any stock. A stock showing some positive or negative technical breakout in a single page to compare and decide really fast. So if you want to decide by seeing all the stocks which are showing bullish crossover MACD, या bearish MACD crossover, or overbought stock in case of RSI, oversold RSI stocks, so you can see all the stocks in a single scan. You can compare and decide very fast. Then ninth website is www.profit.ndtv.com. This is the most useful website to trade intraday with more systematic stock screeners like recovery from intraday low or near 52-week high or near 52-week low. So what is the specialty? This website is giving you the screeners as per index, specific index. Suppose you want to see the recovery from intraday low in Nifty 50 only, or you want to see from Nifty 500. So it will show you, and it will help you to study or scan the things easily with graphical presentation. So on a line you can see whether the current market price is near the high or near the low, and you can decide very fast. We have explained everything in our strategy videos. The 10th website is www.trendline.com. Just notice one thing here. The trend line spelling is Lyne, TREND, LYNE, not LINE. So trendline.com, one can study very good fundamental and technical screeners at one place to pick the right stock both ways. One can study portfolios of India's superstar investors here. You can see the total portfolio, you can see the change in last quarter, and you can see what stocks are bought by every superstar investor and which stocks are sold there, so you can decide accordingly. These are the best websites to study what to buy, why to buy, when to buy. You can see all the charts in detail, and if you are going through the data every day, then for every time whenever you are seeing the data or charts, you are getting something new, you are understanding something new, you are going deeper So the only thing what you need to do in stock market is to make decision, and for making decision you need knowledge, you need data, you need facts, you need charts and fundamental tools, balance sheets and everything. So my dear friends, if you want to trade very smart, then you need to go through these websites, and I suggest you to keep open all the necessary websites open simultaneously when you are trading. You can keep in.investing.com, nsindia.com, NDTV Profit, and Motilal Oswal open simultaneously to decide very fast, because you know everything. But if you can decide within 2 3 minutes, then there are more chances to have the bigger profit and to have the lesser profit. So you can reduce you can have the lesser losses, so you can reduce your loss to zero or almost zero by having the correct study. You don't need to memorize or remember anything, just keep going through all the things, and that will be there. There will be a retention of the facts and figures, and that will convert into the experience of a particular trader. Thank you very much. How do you feel about this video? You can give your feedback. If you want some specific video on some particular topics, just write to us. You can comment us directly, or you can mail us on our mail id. You can call us 7066045880. Thank you very much. Bye.